What's up, Dino Dudes? Today we're gonna open our Christmas presents. And before they start the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. If I reach the 10,000 likes, we'll give away one gift card or our Nerf gun, right, guys? Okay, so and don't forget to watch the other videos of Isaías and Mateo and Rika playing.
Hey Dino Dudes, welcome back to our channel.
So today we're gonna start what? What we're gonna start?
We're gonna open our guns.
Okay, which gun you have?
My gun is called
Cyber Stream, right?
Cyber
It comes with the 12 rounds, right?
Yeah.
And that one?
And mine is called the
Desolator Nerf gun.
Desolator.
And I have the knockout rifle. It comes with 2 shots. So let's begin.
Okay.
All right. So who has the scissors? Which one you have?
And the blue ones.
All right. Let's start. Come on, Rita. You can do it. All right. Do it. It's far. Rubber band. Let me try. All right. And be careful, guys, before you use scissors, because sometimes
they
they
really sharp
and dangerous. Okay, so let's take my turn. And
it comes with a scope and a
really, what else?
a target, a mag, and
Okay.
12 darts.
How about you, Isaías? Which one you have? What happened in your box? Oh, I like this gun. Look, guys. Oh, it looks amazing.
Yeah, we have other guns like the big one and the medium one.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's that one right here.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, guys. I got mine already. Ready to shot. Oh, here's the manual. Let's see. What does it say? You have yours? Can handle or not?
No, we can't.
Let me try to take off the bands.
And no, this part.
Right? Which one?
This part, when you walk around with it.
Alright. Do that twice. Okay.
Whoa.
It's ready. Yours. So yes, and here is your ammo.
This is where you put the ammo. This is the mag.
Yeah, so as you click,
And when you shoot your gun,
is your banana clip.
and when you shoot your gun, don't forget to not aim at the eye or the head, cause
Yeah, it's dangerous. It's very dangerous. Okay. Here's your ammo. That's it. Nothing. And don't forget to recycle the cardboard or the plastic, because we don't know. We don't want to do more damage to our planet. Okay.
yeah, and I got targets.
Oh, let me help you. Okay.
Don't these need batteries?
Yeah, more. We have more. Oh, yes. Okay. Here's your ammo.
The magazine,
Here we go. And you have,
targets.
yes,
The
target.
enemy can shoot them.
Alright, guys, we have targets. And alright, let's try it.
So the darts were in our mag.
So
Why is
mine
batteries?
says batteries. Really? Where does it say batteries?
Because when I put the mag
Oh
in,
yeah, we need batteries.
I think mine doesn't. No, mine doesn't.
Yeah. So let's get some batteries and let's see what happens. Okay. Let me go get some. And mine.
Don't need batteries.
No.
They do need batteries?
No.
do this.
Everything
This
is
is
perfect.
hard.
So
This is hard. I need
hard?
two more.
Shoot.
Two more to put.
This is a lot, right? You have a lot.
And so I'm gonna put my max.
So as you can see, guys, you have a lot, so you can shoot on by yourself. It has a lot to it here, right? And you can put your.
So that you? You see this, Dino Dudes? It's kind of powerful. It sounds powerful. Can I try? Yeah. You can try. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, you got it. Okay, I can get
This
used
one
to
has
this.
power too.
Yeah, this one's kind of easy to shoot.
Really?
Oh,
So
we should place the targets. Yeah, let me go place the targets. Oh! Holy! This
dang.
is powerful.
Yeah, it has
I think
power.
I think that was a hold on it.
Yeah, made a hole. So let me get the batteries so you can
I
try
don't
her.
think you want to get
It's
you from
Nerf
that.
gun. It looks pretty
Dino
nice.
Dudes, I don't think you want to
Pretty.
get hit with that in a Nerf war.
Yeah.
That is
So
pretty
let me
bad.
get the batteries for Isaias and screwdriver. Okay. I'll be right back.
So let me go put my.
Then we're gonna shoot some targets.
Alright guys, I found some screws, some batteries. So
Okay, we should be good to go then.
let me see.
And a screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
So you can do that, guys. You can ask one of your parents to help us because it could be dangerous. So I need to find another kind because this is AAA and we need AA. So we have to find the other batteries. So I'll be right back.
Watch out.
So like Dino Dudes, my dad.
Alright guys,
found
I'm
one.
back. So I found the batteries. Oh.
Jeez.
I lost the bullet. Let me go get it.
Okay, Dino Dudes.
So we have some batteries. I hope it works.
I mean,
And
those are the way batteries.
yeah. Oh!
I can't find my bullet.
Oh, okay. Let me put Okay. Where's the...
Cap.
Yeah, it's right here.
These balls are kind of powerful, but they're
Let me
plastic.
put the screw
They're soft.
back.
I think it was this one.
Gimbal batteries.
Put in the bag.
So,
I think it should work.
oh, you have to.
Use a target.
This is cool. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
No, they have stuff one.
Oh yeah.
Take off the thing.
Shoot it from right here.
Okay. There's two in there.
Yeah.
Bottom water.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I got them both.
So
At a time.
let's try 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh!
So it has no so much power the batteries, so we need to buy a new ones.
Yeah,
So
So it's more stronger.
yeah. So how about mine? You try mine?
Okay, this one's bust. This one doesn't have to get battery.
Yeah, it has no enough battery, so I need to get
Oh,
another
because
one.
the bullet's stuck.
No, it's not a problem. We need to buy new batteries.
We have to find like.
So those I have for emergency, you know. So this is mine. It's
Pretty
powerful. So I don't know, guys. Don't shoot in the face. Remember that.
Do not shoot anybody with this one. This one's really.
Yeah. So.
As long as you have. Even might break somebody's bones.
So I want to try on my hat to see how's the power is. Oh.
There's a bullet right there.
So 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh!
See the power is. It's hard to shoot in the face.
It goes fast.
So be careful, guys. Don't try on their face.
As long as you have like a.
Right? So.
And Dino Dudes, be careful. Do not shoot anybody with that.
Yeah.
It could maybe break somebody's bones.
Yeah,
as long as you have like a helmet.
Yeah. So, or some like clear glasses for.
Somebody can shoot you in the head if you have a helmet.
Yeah, and you know, cover your eyes because this is powerful.
Like a paintball.
Yeah. Something like that. So.
Paintballs like make your.
Okay, guys. So remember, don't forget to.
Shoot in here.
Yeah. See?
Oh,
See?
that hurts my
You
hand.
heard that? So it's.
It was like
Yeah.
it made my hand go like it pushed it a little bit.
Yeah. So
Oh, there's.
don't forget to follow these kids. They're awesome. They're Dino Dudes. So
And
I'm
we can
out of
do
the
pretty
video.
cool stuff.
because they're gonna show how the guns work. So don't forget to subscribe and
In
like
the
the
next
video. Comment below. And if we reach the 10,000 likes, we give away one gift card or
A Nerf gun.
Nerf gun. So thanks, guys. So
In the
ending
next
with these
video,
kids. I
we'll
hope
be
they like the
doing-
video.
I hope you like the video too.
Yeah. So the targets in here, so the kids can see how the pistol works.
Yeah. Don't shoot them, Jason. Shoot it. Ooh, it's powerful, right, Zach? Oh. And these G's, the darts match the gun. And so, if you want to see us do other videos like these, you should like subscribe and go to our channel, Isaiah Discovery Toys Review. And we have, Isaiah has a TikTok. Watch out with that guy. Isaiah has a TikTok. Isaiah Discovery Toys Review. And I have a TikTok. You guys want to follow me? I post memes. And it's at Rita Pepe 35. And Isaiah, I'm trying to reach up with Isaiah. I have 20 followers. And I'm trying to get a lot of followers so I can do more videos like these. Me and Isaiah, so we like his TikToks and follow him so we can do other videos like these or subscribe to his videos. Isaiah's gonna shoot the. I hope it's not French. This one looks like an LMG. I think I put it in the wrong way. One side. I broke it. Oh. Got jammed a little bit.
get you yet?
No.
You got me on the head.
Where's your mask? Go get your mask. Oh, no, I don't have it.
The mask. Okay.
Oh crap, I don't have bullet. Oh, 5,
Wait,
right?
this is not mine. Oh, this. Ugh.
5 bullets, right?
Okay, I have one more bullet. I have two more bullets.
Oh! I told you not to wear a mask.
Wait, pause. Let me go get my mask.
These bullets just in case. I can't see you. Do that.
Hey, shit. You got me on the toe.
I got you. Do that shooting
Right there, use a machine gun. The gun that looks like a machine gun. Hey, use the gun. Good at aiming. Oh, you got me on the head. Frick, I ran out of ammo this one.
Dad, I almost shaved your head.
Then. Oh, I'm sweaty. Ooh, ooh. Let me get me in air. Oh, hey, Lordy God. Okay.
So, how about you, Rika? What about your gun? What do you think about your gun?
Mine, I give it like a 9 or 8 or 7 because it sounds really nice. It sounds really soft.
9 out of 10.
Yeah. How about yours? Say yes.
I give it an 8 out of 10.
8. I give it 10 out of 10 because this is powerful.
And it's
But
very fast.
the thing in here, no, we have no enough shoots. So
Oh, you
it's
mean
only
bullets?
2. Yeah, I mean bullets or shots because it's a shot.
And if you have more if you have more ammo for this, just put them right here for more ammo.
Yeah,
If you
trying to say because you have to reload every time, you know, one shot, one shot.
Yeah, because if
No.
you're in a battle with somebody in the Nerf war, you had to get a secondary just in case if your other gun ran out of ammo.
Yeah, so that's the thing. So I don't give you the 10 out of 10. So I give you 7. Okay, guys. So thanks, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Dino Dudes.
Yeah, bye, Dino Dudes.
Get our other videos we do.
We'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, we do a next video. We have more toys to review. So So
And
yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and like.
And we may do other videos like this, so
Yeah.
subscribe so you can look at our other videos.
Yeah. So thanks, bye.
Bye, Dino Dudes.
Bye, Dino
Hope you
Dudes.
guys like the video.
Yeah.